Subscription agreement. Everything to know. What is a subscription agreement? A subscription agreement is between a company and a private investor to sell a specific number of shares at a specific price. Subscription agreement, what is it? The subscription agreement is used to keep track of how many shares have been sold and at what the shares sold at for a privately held company. The subscription agreement details all the information about the transaction, such as the number of shares and price, and confidentiality provisions. Why are subscription agreements important? For companies that need more funding, it's a way to do it without taking a company public or finding venture capitalists to invest. Investing with subscription agreements. Advantages and disadvantages. Advantage. Subscription agreements provide a way to sell stock without registering securities with the Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC. Disadvantage. There are no voting rights and no way to help the business to be successful. Not using subscription agreements. Advantages and disadvantages. Advantage. Although the private placement memorandum has a lot of information about the investment, a prospectus prepared for and approved by the SEC is more thorough. Disadvantage. Investing in a private company allows you to get in on the ground floor. Common mistakes? Making the agreement too complicated. While all the necessary legal information should be covered in this agreement, try to keep it as simple as possible. Not getting legal counsel. A lawyer can explain to you all the legalese used in the contract and ensure that you agree with what's there. Common subscription agreement terms you need to know. Accredited investor. An accredited investor has a net worth over at least $1 million, excluding the value of a primary residence. Limited liability partnership. Limited partnerships, or limited liability partnerships, have less say in the management of a company. Partnership. A business agreement between two or more people who own a company together. Private placement. Sale of stock to a limited number of investors. Private placement memorandum. Companies provide these memos to investors. It takes the place of a prospectus. Need help? Just post your legal need to UpCounsel's marketplace to receive free custom quotes from an UpCounsel lawyer.